Hey guys, welcome to Lake Stevens Auto Detailing. Today we're doing a modified interior detail on this, I believe it's a 2001 Toyota Camry. And so the first thing we're going to be doing is addressing all these spot stains here. A pop exploded here, so we're going to get this all fixed. And then they just wanted a vacuum on the carpets, the seats, and they said asked to address stains here and then the stains over here, and then just kind of a good vacuum. I quoted them for a full interior detail. They didn't want to pay for it. They're just going to be turning around and selling this thing. They got the seat covers on the front, so I'm just going to be doing a modified detail, which is way less than I normally do, but that's what they want to pay for, so that's what we'll be doing. So what I like to do when doing a headliner clean, whether it's just a little spot clean or cleaning a big area, is spray on the carpet bomber or a stain remover, spray right directly onto the headliner, and then I use a fresh microfiber towel, kind of scrub the stain lightly with a light to moderate pressure, and then I'll come in and mop it with a dry towel to soak up any excess moisture. And then once the headliner is dry again, I'll repeat as necessary to try and get as much of the stain out as possible. But you don't want to oversaturate the headliner, so I do it in steps to make sure not have that glue separate from the fabric and mess something up, because headliners are quite expensive. If you guys had to clean a headliner like this or anything similar, leave a comment down below what the situation or circumstance was that had you clean that headliner, whether it was for a customer, family, or just your own. I've seen some people that like to use a polisher with a microfiber pad, with like a kind of a foam backing to give some protection on there, and then kind of get that wet and just go over the whole headliner with that, which can be a fast option. I just want to be careful and mindful the age of the headliner, the condition, and like how bad the staining is. You don't know how long that the stains have been on there, so for the age of this headliner, I just prefer to just go in there with the microfiber cloth. It was a bit more gentle on there, and I can kind of see how the headliner was reacting. With the older headliner, if you scrub too hard, you can start pulling off some of the fabric and stuff. So this way I was able to kind of go a little more methodical and slowly, but not too slow. I was able to make some pretty good progress on this quickly enough that I was able to get most of the staining out. I'm not sure how long the stain's been there, but it ended up turning out pretty good.
Alright, so we got this spot detail done here. Got this headliner looking way better than what it was. There was stuff all over the place, as you guys know. They paid for that stain to get pulled. The stain's over here. Let me open that other door. And here, and along this side. And then just a vacuum. I didn't want to pay for anything else, so, you know, that's all they want to pay, then I can't really argue with that. So got the thorough vacuum and headliner cleanup. Got all that addressed, so that is looking way better.